For decades, women's cricket in India lived in the shadows, celebrated in moments but rarely sustained. That changed on a glittering night at the D.Y. Patil Stadium. When Harmanpreet Kaur lifted India's first ever ICC Women's World Cup trophy, it wasn't just a victory, it was the second coming of a revolution, decades in the making. Behind that moment of triumph stood years of reform, investment and unflinching belief. From the BCCI's 2022 decision to offer equal match fees, 15 lakh for tests, 6 lakh for ODIs and 3 lakh for T20Is, to the birth of the Women's Premier League, this was no overnight miracle. It was the slow building of a system that finally saw women as professionals and not just mere participants.
Of course, it will be act as a game changer only. अभी World Cup जीतने के बाद women's cricket कैसे evolve होगा हम सब बहुत wait करेंगे उसको.
Yeah, the thing was we spoke about it, we spoke about how we'll give our lives out every single ball. Because these 50 overs are the only 50 overs we have. We don't know what's going to happen next, but we'll just give our lives out and you never know, magic happens.
DY पाटिल तो हमारे लिए हमेशा से लकी है. हम यहाँ पे आके कुछ अलग ही मैजिक करते हैं सबके सब. और एज ए टीम हम लोग अगर कोई ट्रॉफी जीतनी है तो सबको एक साथ आके स्टाफ प्लेयर सबको एक साथ आके वो मैजिक क्रिएट करना होता है और वो वही किया हमने तो काफी अच्छा लगा.
I just have no words to explain. This is the proudest moment of my life. I would say near 50 years of my being in the cricket field as a player, as an administrator. I'm just absolutely thrilled and I would like to congratulate the girls. They've done a wonderful job. They worked hard for it. I've been happy. What I wanted to see, that star on the jersey, it's now come true and it's a very, very proud moment for me.
The victory was historic, but its true power lies in what follows. Much like 1983, when Kapil Dev's men's team redefined Indian cricket and triggered a flood of sponsorships, infrastructure and money, 2025 could be that moment for women's cricket. Back then, one World Cup turned players into superstars and cricket into an economy. Now 42 years later, history is ready to repeat itself. But this World Cup win could elevate them from role models to brand ambassadors.
I think it's a great victory for Indian women's cricket and for the women all round, for the girls all round to take up this great game of cricket. I think I'll be failing in my duty if I don't say that we, the 1983 World Cup players, gave all that motivation and inspiration to one and all, not only in cricket, in all walks of life.
डेफिनेटली जब आपको देखेगा कोई फेस जो पूरे वर्ल्ड वाइड फेमस हुआ है तो उसके लिए तो ऐड तो आएगी ही आएगी. जब आप देखेंगे कि ये लड़की हो या लड़का हो, कोई भी क्षेत्र का हो, वो अच्छा कर रहा है अपने कोई भी फील्ड में, चाहे पढ़ाई हो, चाहे क्रिकेट हो या चाहे ओलंपिक्स हो, चाहे कोई भी उद्योग में कर रहा हो या अपने बिजनेस में अच्छा कर रहा हो, तो उसको डेफिनेटली एड्स मिलती है. मेरा कभी ये मानना नहीं हुआ कि नहीं किसी को मिलती. हाँ, कई बार हो सकता है किसी को ज़्यादा मिल सकती है, किसी को कम मिल सकती है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट डेस्टिनी. किस्मत के आगे आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. किस्मत सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है.
Oh, they will grow exponentially because it's captured the imagination. The whole problem is first to get people to be interested in a sport. Once that happens, as you've seen with men's cricket, it's just grown and grown and grown because the challenge is to get eyeballs, and I think the numbers on Jio Hotstar have shown that they're maybe not as much as the men's cricket, but they are very, very good numbers. And so there's going to be a lot of brand interest, and there's going to be a lot of brands that will be able to see associations, parallels, which they can, women who play, and even the men's brands extending their market further into women. And so there are many possibilities that I'm sure all marketing gurus are looking at and wondering which girl they are signing or which bunch of girls they're signing. So I think a lot of money is about to come their way very soon.
I think the big thing that has happened is that you have had a huge jump in viewership of women's cricket. It will enhance cricket, of course. It will enhance BCCI, of course. And it will enhance women's contribution to the religion of cricket. In India, that is the religion that everybody believes in.
When the ICC overhauled its prize money for the Women's World Cup from 3.5 million in 2022 to 13.88 million, it sent a clear message. Women's cricket was no longer catching up, it was leading. For the first time ever, the women's prize pool eclipsed the men's 2023 edition. The winner's purse, 4.48 million, stood as a statement of equality, ambition and belief. And India's triumph on home soil turned that statement into success. Politicians and ministers alike have also decided to reward the players of their respective states, announcing cash rewards and underscoring the nationwide historic achievement.
ऐसे में जब क्रिकेट का मैच वर्ल्ड कप जीता गया, उसमें मध्य प्रदेश की बेटी भी क्रांति गौड़ उसमें शामिल है। मैं क्रांति को बधाई देना चाहता हूं और राज्य सरकार की ओर से 1 करोड़ का प्रोत्साहन उनको उनके इस योगदान के लिए टीम को देना है, उनकी तरफ से हमारे खिलाड़ी को देना चाहेंगे। और मैं 1 करोड़ रुपया क्रांति गौड़ को, जो छतरपुर की बेटी है, उसको देने की घोषणा करता हूं और उम्मीद करता हूं कि सभी खेलों के सभी प्रकार के ऐसे आयोजनों में हमारी भूमिका इसी प्रकार से रहेगी। मेरी अपनी ओर से आप सबको भी बधाई।
सभी बेटियों ने बहुत अच्छा खेल खेला। इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं हिमाचल की जो बेटी है रेणुका ठाकुर, उसको हिमाचल प्रदेश सरकार की ओर से 1 करोड़ रुपया देने की मैं घोषणा करता हूँ।
As the celebrations unfold and a million hearts revel in the triumph, the bigger picture of this victory will be gauged not just in trophies or endorsements, but in the doors it opens. For countless young girls who once saw cricket as a distant dream, this is proof that the field belongs to them too. Much like 1983 changed the course of Indian cricket forever, this win may well redefine the nation's sporting identity, and this time with women leading from the front.